welcome back. I'm Jack, and this is a quick practice just to get us grounded to head into whatever is next. So let's breathe in, stretch your arms up. We're gonna get this party started right away. Breathe out, take a twist to your right fingertips touch to the ground and lift your sternum. Left hand can hug across to the opposite knee. When you next inhale, send your right arm up to the sky and take a lean left shoulder toward your left knee. Feel what touches ground, so see if you can anchor your right sit bone a little bit more. And then breathe out, let your right hand grab your left knee and bow through center. Think cat spine. Scoop out the belly a little bit. Inhale, rise up with eagle arms. You've already got left arm underneath. Lift up and back so you find a little bit of a back bend. Breathe out, let the fingertips touch the ground, and then the chin drop in toward the throat. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, twist to your left fingertips behind you, right hand, opposite knee. Touch down, and then lift your chest. So you get long in your twist. Let's focus on keeping length in our spine so that we can receive the fullest prana, oxygen, life force. Left arm will reach up, that's your back arm. Tip and lean, right shoulder across to the right knee, and then anchor your left glute. And you turn your chest open to the sky a little bit more. And then what's important, how's your breathing out there? Take your left hand to your right knee, chin to throat, round through center, scoop out the belly, lift the back of the heart. Rise up with eagle arms, right arm is underneath this time. Tip up and back. Breathe out, let your fingertips touch the ground on the sides of your mat. Drop your chin into your throat. You can use your hands behind you to help you transition into a squat. So toes out, heels in, Anjali Mudra, your heart. Lift your chest. If this is too deep for you, lift your butt higher and rest your forearms on your thighs, but still let there be a sense of chest moving forward, tailbone dropping down. 2 more breaths. Breathe all the way out. At the bottom of your exhale, start to bow forward. As you pick up your feet, point your toes forward. Lift your butt. Keep a bend in your knees. So bend your knees so your belly can rest right on your thighs. You can look up here if you need to see a visual of what I mean. And then take your hands up and back behind you. So they're reaching up to the sky as you drop your head. And then move your head a little bit from side to side, like your chin moves toward one shoulder and then the other. If you can lace your hands behind you, great. A lot of shoulders will not be happy with that, so if not, keep your arms wide. Keep your breath wider, smoother. Start to bend your right knee and look over to the left. Turn your heart and your eyes over to the left. Bend both knees, and when you exhale, drop your head. Inhale, bend your left knee more. Look over toward your right, turn the chest. You can bring a little length to your right leg. And then breathe out, take a bow, drop your head again, drop your hands. Point your toes out so you can sit back into your squat, whatever depth is appropriate for your body. And then bring your hands behind you so you can sit back on your butt. Let's take an altar pose. Fingertips face in toward you. Inhale, lift your pelvis up. Lion's breath out the mouth, stick out the tongue, ha. And then stay here, breathe in. Breathe out, ha. One more time, breathe in. Breathe out, ha. Sink your seat down to the ground. Stretch your legs long in front of you, sit up tall. Keep some distance between your heels. Like if you had a yoga block, maybe about that wide, have that distance between your heels, and then anchor your heels down. Listen closely to this one. Anchor the heels down, but bend the knees. So don't move your heels as you bend your knees. You'll feel yourself shift forward on your pelvis a little bit. That's great. Now stretch your arms up. Keep your knees bent. Exhale to fold forward. Remember, lengthen your spine. And then when you can't keep length anymore, round from your mid back, upper back. Let your hands either come to the outer feet, ankles, shins, wherever they land. Drop your chin into your throat. And even though we're folding, let there be a sense of sit bones moving back, heart moving forward, because you are dimensional. You can move in both directions. And really, one of the pillars of this practice is sthira and sukha, which means we can practice strength and softness at the same time. Open heart with backbone. Breathe into the back of your waist for one more smooth breath. And then start to lift your head, like you're looking up, like you're peeking up, and then lift your heart as you start to sit up. It's almost a back bend on the way out. And then cross your shins, cross-legged seat. Sealing in this intention of clarity, and really, truly this intention of taking care of ourselves, because we are capable of being soft and strong at the same time, of being grounded and free. Take a hand to the heart and to the belly. An open mouth exhale on your next round of breath. And right here, one Om, breathe in. Thank you for making your practice a priority. I'll see you next time.